Hi, my name is Andrei, and I'm a software developer. Mostly, I do web development, websites, portals, and so on. And I realize many people, not only here on Family FTDNA web page, but over the internet, people tend to create contents, posts, articles, comments, and very frequent they simply forget about proper submit. So as you may know, there is a button key on the keyboard, enter, and enter is for submitting your actions. And sometimes people forgetting about that and using enter as the key to create a new line. But in most cases, Shift plus Enter as a combination of keys from keyboard gives us ability. But also, for example, on LinkedIn or any other applications, it's configurable and can be opposite. But nowadays, many pages implemented proper way, so you can always edit. So, for example, you do a test post. Okay, it can be here on Family Tree DNA group page. It can be a question post or picture, but you always can edit or even delete. So in this case, first of all, if you write a text providing some URLs, some text, the final submission will be post, but also enter can be used for submissions this form. So don't worry if you submit accidentally, you'll be able to edit. But if you're on this stage yet, just remember about Shift plus Enter, which essentially going a new line, and multiple Shift Enters, Shift Enter combinations will be multiple lines. So I will not submit this test post just to avoid spam on the page, but I will show example of my page, my post with image. It was image post with text. So as you see, I added image and text and some URLs. And imagine this line, empty line between country and we, between directions and Losbur and so on. So every time if I use enter, if I would go and use enter, it would go and submit the form. But I use shift plus enter, and it helps me to just go one empty line more. In this case, I will just show you that there is edit functionality, and you can open in pop-up the same content. Yes, you will not see image, photo, if it's a photo post, but the text, it's visible, and as you see, you can add some text. You can use enter, shift enter. I did not experiment at all use cases, but definitely can save. Sometimes after save, depends on your internet connection. Sometimes after save, not like right away you will see update, like maybe 3 seconds. It's huge time. Speaking as a software developer, it should be right away. But sometimes it's your updated text, especially if you have bad connection, it will be a bit later. So don't worry if you don't see it right away. Do not edit one more time. No need. If it's really not shown, I would rather suggest refresh the page with this icon on the top, or Control R, Control F5, Command R, and many combinations. And also you can delete. I will not delete my post, but for all of you who posted some articles before and it was wrong, like not finished sentence, I suggest either delete first and provide information, like extended information, copy pasting from another post, or vice versa. It's for you to decide which post to delete and which remain as extended version. Hope it will help you to understand how it works. Again, it's not a particular feature of this Family FTDNA page. It's all over the web, all over the internet. It's just simply a matter of your experience with computers and with with keyboard. Thanks.